Namaste, and welcome back to Travancore Ayurveda's Ayurveda Unplugged Season 2 Lifestyle Redefined series with Ayurveda and Yoga. I'm your host, Shilpa Nair. In the last episode, we explored with Dr. Smita sharing the power of yoga for pregnant women. In this final episode of Season 2, we begin with the next important phase, which is postnatal care or Matru Welcome back, Dr. Smita.
Thank you, Shilpa, and thank you, dear listeners.
So now let's start with postnatal care. What is the Ayurvedic approach to taking care of new mothers?
In Ayurveda, the Sutika phase, the first 42 days after childbirth, is considered as sacred window for recovery and rejuvenation. It's a time to deeply nourish the mother both physically and emotionally. The focus is on strengthening digestion, calming the Vata dosha, healing the tissues, and restoring energy. This is known as Matra Raksha, which means protection of the mother. It's not just care, it's a complete nurturing system that supports long term health and well being for a new mother.
Okay, so what treatments or rituals are part of Matra Raksha at Travancore Ayurveda? So, I remember we have covered this actually in our first season. So, however, for the benefit of the viewers, you may want to speak a bit about it again.
Yes, of course. This is one of our most important signature therapy and it's worth repeating for our viewers. Matru Raksha program is designed to gently guide new mothers through recovery. It includes daily abhyanga, that is, warm medicated oil massage to relax the body and promote circulation, followed by herbal steam therapy to detoxify and relieve aches. We also offer Udara Veshtanam or belly binding to support uterus and abdominal muscles. Treatments like Kashaya Dhara help reduce inflammation and promote tissue healing. Along with the above treatments, we encourage mothers with intake of herbal decoctions to enhance digestion, balance hormones, and boost lactation. Diet is a key piece. We recommend jeera kanji, that is cumin rice gruel, fenugreek water, and nourishing recipes tailored to each mother's body type and need. It's a deeply holistic experience, one that cares for the mother, not just physically, but emotionally and energetically.
Wow, that sounds deeply nourishing. How does postnatal care support mental and emotional well being of a mother?
Postpartum blues and emotional fluctuations are very real and often overlooked. In Ayurveda, we place equal importance on the mind and emotions during postnatal care. By pacifying Vata, which governs the nervous system, we bring stability and calmness. Gentle oil massages, known as Abhyanga, are not just physical therapy, they are also deeply soothing to the mind, creating a calm environment, offering emotional support, and allowing space for the rest and reflection. All of this plays a vital role in helping a mother feel safe, supported, and emotionally nourished during this sacred transition.
That's really thoughtful. Now, how long should Matra Raksha continue and when can mothers begin yoga or exercise?
Ideally, 40 to 45 days of focused care is the best. Light stretching and breathing can begin in the second or third week, depending on the delivery type too. Structured postnatal yoga should start after 6 weeks under professional guidance.
Alright, so now let's zoom out to look at the bigger picture. Holistic living isn't a trend, it's a return to balance. To nourish, move, rest, and listen. This is lifestyle redefined. And with that, we wrap up season 2 of our journey through lifestyle redefined with yoga and Ayurvedic series. A big thank you to Dr. Smita and to each one of you for tuning in, reflecting, and growing with us. We hope these conversations sparked small shifts and deeper awareness in your daily life. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and remember, wellness begins from within. See you in the next season. Sukhino Bhavantu.
Sukhino Bhavantu.